Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Let me clean that up first. Let me at least knock some of that old crud off there. I was fighting to clean up anyway. This is a win-lose. You know, take the good with the bad. And could be worse. I'm getting to clean the cylinder up a little better now. So you can't hear the guy in the background. Watching someone else work on foilers. Every little bit of knowledge helps, so soak it up while you can, you ladies and gentlemen. Well, I will get back to you. I'm gonna have to figure this out.